two plays of ours. One is very, very easy. The other one's extremely complicated. But we're going to do them both in the same light. So this is scale and hype. For scale and hype, watch this. This is how easy it is. This guy is going to dribble this way. And all this guy does is he cuts back door, goes to the basket, and then comes back here to post up while this guy dribbles out. That's it. That's the whole play. It's hype. It's if we see a mismatch, we make that guy go back door. He cuts to the basket, then he comes back to post up. That's all hype is. Okay? We call it like this, hype, if we happen to see a mismatch. Now, for the other play, it would be going the opposite way. And let's say that we're going for this guy. He has a screener right here. We're going to go to the lane line just to right here. And he's going to come up. Because normally, he's way over here on the side. And that pass is right here, and it could be stolen. And maybe if they're jumping the pass, like this defender is jumping the pass, stealing it, we can fool him. All right? By not going that far to begin with. We'll only go to here to have a better pass. He'll come up, and if he follows him, this guy is going to circle around and set a screen. And he's going to step in, and he's going to flare out. Now, when we flare out, he'll be just underneath the three-point line, and he's going to flare out like this. Go around and then step into a shot. This pass will be up and above to right there for a three-point shot. That's called a flare screen. Okay, and that's that play. We call scale is our flare screen play. Now, when we put this together, and we'll show you more in practice, we'll have people actually doing it and doing both pieces. We'll have at least 6 people, but we'll have 5 people out here just to begin with, and we'll have people out here on these spots. There will be an extra person who's behind this guy waiting in line to go next, but these are the 5 who are going right away. Now, if he decides to go with his right hand, he'll call out scale or hype. So if he says hype, that means he's going to dribble out to the right, and this guy's going to go back door. But right now, this guy's in the way. So as soon as he says hype, he should flash to the top to prove that he knows what the play is. And then this guy will dribble out. This guy will cut back door and then post up. All right, we could have done the same thing to the opposite side. And then the other one would be scale. Now, if we run scale and he has it in his right hand, now we're going to know that it's a play to the actual left-hand side. He's going to dribble out to right here. This guy's going to go to the corner, and this guy's going to sprint up. This guy will circle around and set the back pick right there. He's going to step in, and then they'll have a flare screen right there. And like we do on all of our plays, after he shoots it, these 3 guys that were involved in the play will all rotate to new spots.